Hello everyone, I'm here at 106 Horseshoe Bend Trail in DeLeon Springs, Florida today. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,229 square feet was built in 1976. Sits on 2.5 acres. The front portion of this land is cleared. The rear is wooded, has some trails. I'm just going to give you a walkthrough today of the property. This is a front yard. Of course, it's fenced. It's got a great big workshop. So let's go take a look inside. We'll go inside, then we'll come outside, walk back to the workshop. Windows were all updated in this home in 2022. Has all sorts of updates. Roof 2021, AC 2015, hot water heater 2019. Here we enter the main living area. There's a loft up top. We'll go there in a minute. Fireplace, bonus room there. Where it's kind of like a workout room that backs up to the pool. So let's just go this way first and take a look at, just kind of work around the house. This is a dining area, great big dining area. Newer luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout most of the home. There's carpet in a couple of the bedrooms. Wood plank flooring in the living area. Kitchen was all remodeled. I believe 2022, 2021. Wine fridge, Lazy Susan. There's a couple Lazy Susans in here. There's the garage door, so it's real nice for bringing groceries in. Tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets. Cabinet sliders there that slide out for pots and pans, make it real nice. And of course, a butcher block topped island. So here's that living area again from the other side. Well, sort of from the other side. There's a front door. Okay, we're going to go down here. We're going to head to the primary suite first. There's the entrance to that room, private entrance there. We're going to just kind of give you a little look at this place here. Another view. You'll see all the fixtures are updated. You can see those newer windows look out to the pool. Absolutely beautiful home here. As we enter into the primary bath, you see everything's new. Step-in shower. I mean, I could ramble all day, but that's all I'm doing is rambling, so I'm not going to do that. Let's go electric fireplace, large walk-in closet. We got to talk about that. All right. Guest bath. Just about everything's newer, and I think the floor is not. The floor is in great shape. Looks nice. Floor to ceiling tile over there. Beautiful tile decor there. Bedrooms are quite large. This one here is obviously this is the baby's room, but and I'm not at the back here. That door there to the right goes through to that bath that we just looked at, so you can access it directly from here. And then we head to bedroom number 3. Plenty of lighting here. This here, they have an office space here, and that's really what it's great for. Let's kind of take a look here. This here. New siding, hardy plank. New water softener, bladder tank. Workshop out back is 40 by 60. 4-inch submersible well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this little room. This room is not included in the square footage, but they use it as a workout room. Get a look at the pool here and the big lanai there. Just kind of see what this is. They have a portable AC unit in here. Okay, so now let's go up and take a look at the loft. The loft really isn't anything too fancy. It's got carpet, another great office space. Does have some beams that had that kind of that charm from the older homes that some of the older homes have. Make a nice game room, maybe a ping pong table or a pool table. Of course, wood burning fireplace. Okay, we're gonna head on down, and I'm gonna head back out front just to kind of show the back around to the other side of the home, give you a little better perspective on where we are. Beautiful trim, gutters on this home. Pretty low maintenance. 2-car garage. Drone in the sky. That's a pretty scary thing. Let's go. We'll go look at the workshop before we go to the pool, because the photographer probably won't appreciate me being in the shot here. So we'll go look at this building. No, the boat does not come with it. You see there's good steady locks. Huge doors allow for all sorts of options. The benches all stay. It is on a slab, you can see. Kind of show you the other side here. Again, sorry for that buzzing. No, it's not a mosquito. Okay. Now we're in here, and this seems to me like a perfect apartment here. You've got ceiling fans up there. And I'm going to go over here. There's an AC unit. It's even divided like it would be perfect for it. Just kind of, I mean, yes, there's some work to be done if you want that. But maybe if you've got some kind of a business, I don't know if zoning would be okay with that, but if it did, you could always do something like that. Just going to show the workshop here. Go try to get under. There's the backyard. You see it's fenced here. That is not the boundaries. It's on well and septic, so you don't have any water here or water bills to contend with. Pool is nice. Deck has been all redone. There's the garage to the door. New screen. This lanai is huge. I'd be putting a table out there. Okay. And I guess thinking that's about it for our tour here today. That'll show you the tomb. I'll give you the tour of the property. I will say in the back of the property there are trails that go all the way to the back. All kinds of deer, wild turkeys, and everything else back there. It's real quiet here. DeLeon Springs, about 10 minutes from DeLand, 20 minutes to I-4. Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, maybe 30 minutes. So, thanks for watching.